let's talk about how to go from a chord to a full song. With that said, let's get to it after the intro. Wire! Well, as a music producer, I'm sure you can tell that every day is not Christmas, and every day is not the day that you get your inspiration as 100 as you would want it to be. So today is one of those days where I've been struggling from writing the script of my videos to shooting, based on the fact that I've been doing a lot of things lately. As you all know, or in case you don't know, the Krizbeatz Music Academy class resumed. So it's been back to back with students, and I realized that yes, I want to make beats, but the inspiration has not been coming, the way I would want it to come, for the fact that I've been pouring all my creativity into the guys, trying to make sure like they come up to the level where, when we're talking, we can know for a fact that, yeah, we're having a musical conversation, if you know what I mean. So yes, typically what I do in those type of days is I just make loops. I just do things and make loops, and thank God for the Krizbeatz Music Academy loops that we have, which I'm still going to be using in today's production. So inspiration wasn't coming. I decided to start messing around with this Dr. Dre's piano. Today this video will be about how you can go from lack of inspiration to making a banger. So the first thing I did out of the box was obviously to play the loop, which is from there, I already know that this thing is going to be crazy. I already know where I wanted to take it. I wanted to take people by surprise. I'm the king of surprises, if you know what I mean. So yes, straight out of that, I added a little cymatics. Origin is a free one. You can check that out. Then I added compressor for transient shaping and a more consistent sound. I ended up not using it because I wanted to keep the groove, the natural groove. I don't want it to sound too robotic where everything is too consistent. Then I have this tape mellow-fi doing what Origin is doing, but on steroids. The next thing I brought into the beats was this guy. And the reason why you have that the noise thing under it is because I played it directly, and playing it directly with a bad cable. But I could have just gone in and removed those noise. But I like the effects that they added to the next instrument I added, which is the Krizbeatz Music Academy drum pack. I think is the house pack or something. 2024 drum pack. This. Thank God for all the times where I just sit at home doing nothing, where I feel like, inspiration is not coming for me to make a full beat. Those are the type of days where I go in and I make loops, and the loops tend to be useful for things like this, and they tend to be useful for stuff like this. That's why we have the Krizbeatz pack. I think we'll make the Krizbeatz Music Academy pack available for sale maybe later in the year. But right now it's exclusive to students, so yes. So the next thing is I added a shaker. You can tell it's a lazy man's day. So where's my shaker? Oh yeah, I have a shaker somewhere that we use this for. See what they all sound like. far. So now let's take it a little up in the groove right here, right now. So let's look for a drone sound. I have a pre-recorded drone sound I made a couple of days ago. Yes, that one. So we'll bring that in, but the issue with that is it is not in the key of the song I'm doing right now. So let's pitch it down 4 semitones, and it sounds something like this. Yeah, let's play with the chord. Let's be sure we have it. I would have loved to have it on. Yeah, this is not bad. Okay, but the 4-1 is not bad. I like this -4-1. It sounds like a mystery where you are expecting, oh, what's going on? You know, I like stuff like that. Yeah, so why not? Let's play some bass. There we have the bass in there. Sounds like a banger already. Still great. You know, if I want to make this crazy, like more crazy, I would take the actual acapella for this song and put on this. Then when I put this on a set, people will go crazy. I might try that. Yeah, so next, let's add a pad, you know, to kind of like give us that feel that we're looking for. That one. Let's go. Let's listen to what it sounds like with the. Let's listen to what it sounds like with the groove we have. Woo! Yes. Let's get some risers in there, and so far I brought in a riser. I did some log drum, which will probably take me forever to do it on camera. Not forever, because I did it with my push 2. So push 2 or push 3. If you're watching Ableton, reach out to me. I need that push 3. You know, send it to me, man. There's no Afrobeat producer that has reviewed your push 3. So Ableton, if you're watching, push 3 right now. So yes, I did that, and yeah, let's see what we have. You know, so we introduced the riser, and then we did the log drum. And if you want an in-depth tutorial on how to properly lace a log drum, let me know. If you're still enjoying this video, like and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be with you. Let's see what it sounds like now. Yes, so this sound that we had going on here, so I used the same sound here, but I used it on a halftime. Yeah, simple stuff, but you know, simple stuff makes the most genius stuff.
friends. We ain't like them, never keep it real in the ends. Never leave crib or the ends. Me and that kid, we don't even need to pretend. Me and them boys, we ain't friends. We ain't like them, never keep it real in the ends. Never leave crib or the ends. Me and that kid, we don't even need to pretend.
I know getting the vocals that will see it properly will probably take me time to see it and look for something.
Moving to the sound of the. Moving to the sound of the.
I don't think I want
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out of
see.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out of Dolo when a new mass. Till the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere, feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad at. I'm like, flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that.
I mean, it's okay. This is the quickest beat I've ever made. Thanks to the Parks. Thanks to the Krizbeatz Music Academy Parks. And yes, it's all love, man. Yes, so if you found any of this helpful, like, subscribe. So yes, there's a number of ways that you can use a loop or a chord progression to finish your whole song. It is by creating variations in your songs. So if you can't remember anything in this production, remember how it is still the same production, just changing. If I want to get this as long as it can be, all I just need to do is to alternate things, you know, bring out this, take this out, take this in, you know. So yes, I've been so busy to finish the shoots that we've been doing, but this is just something to keep you guys going, to know that yes, my heart is still with you no matter where you are. So yes, with that said, I'll see you in the next class. We'll see you properly in the next proper class. Love.